Where they did the fireworks in the Rensselaer Falls Festival. Oh, they stink.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Oh, wind's coming our way. I stand the smell. What's that, sulfur?
Sulfur.
Wow, that quieted down there. I don't think that people were old enough to drink wrestling around.
I don't think so either. They're still in high school or college. I don't know. Maybe.
One of the two.
That one kept harassing the other one and said, "Come on, Snake."
Yeah.
What is your problem, dude? Are you gay or what?
That's what I was thinking.
And then he was the one that was drunk.
Oh, I'd rather put up with what they were doing over stuff in Ogdensburg. They're just being young. I think my sister used to live in a trailer. I don't like these low ones.
He had something like that. They were screaming ones.
Yeah.
And the whistles.
Yeah, I didn't like that. Don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not what we want to see. That's why I thought it was around here, because everybody's sharing it on freaking social media.
Talking about it. I said, no, it's in another part of the world.
It's like that, and we'll put it on there.
I don't know.
All over social media.
Yeah.
And like them, why talk about it?
You can watch it on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm not even bother. I'm not even bother.
I don't care what it is from another country.
No. You know, if it was like, you know, like New Year's Eve fireworks, that's different. But like that eclipse, I didn't want to watch it on TV. It's always seen in person. Wow, that stuff stinks. This cost them. Obviously they do fundraising. So actually it wouldn't have been a good idea to go the other way here anyways. It's probably good we went Hubleton way.
Yeah, you guys are coming on our back road.
So it's a good thing we did come that way.
Probably have to turn off in the fire station.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. See, Duchess didn't mind the bang, she didn't like the flash.
Huh.
Oh, that pizza now.
Sounds like Hubleton siren going.
Oh, you did hear that too? I don't know, I heard it, but... can't believe all the years I've never known that. Oh my God.
Spot one too, honey.
And they had Spot, Jake, and Heidi, right?
Yep.
You're not scared of Heidi, is she?
Yeah,
Huh.
she'd hide. She'd be in my lap shaking.
I'm not sure what she think it is. She think it's a bomb going off?
I don't know. Anything loud like that, she doesn't like it.
Yeah. Animals are sensitive to noise, so
Thunder and lightning.
I don't blame her.
Jenny didn't care. She was born in home of the artillery.
Yeah, so.
She heard it all the time ever since she was born.
She's used to it. Light in that bomb. You just take her to fireworks? Jenny?
I like that. They're my favorite. I call them weeping willows.
That was good.
It wasn't bad.